In this video, we're going to talk about how Google Ads campaigns are structured and how to optimize this structure to achieve the best results for your business. Google Ad campaigns have three levels. The top level is the account. This is defined by a unique email and password and contains the billing information. An account will contain multiple campaigns, and within each campaign are multiple ad groups. And in each ad group, there will be multiple ads and keywords. Campaigns each have a budget and settings that specify where the ads appear. An ad group contains a group of similar ads and keywords. So now let's look at this in a live account. In this account, there is a number of account level settings. These can be seen from Tools and Settings, and you've got Billing, Setup, and Measurement. There's multiple campaigns in this account. We're just looking at the search ones here, but there's a number of other accounts here which can be selected from using these filters. If we click on the Search Ad Test account which I created, we can see that we have multiple ad groups. We've got radio and television ad groups. And within these groups, we have keywords. And if we click on the ads and assets and then ads, we will see the ads in this campaign. So there's two ads here which have slightly different text. So to reiterate, we have a campaign which contains multiple keywords. We've got keywords in different match types and also different keywords. And we also have multiple ads. So what is the best way to organize your account for best performance? Organizing your account enables you to serve the right ads to the right customers and track effectiveness of your advertising. Keywords trigger ads, which drive customers to web pages. To be successful, your campaign should demonstrate relevancy along the whole process. For example, the keyword television should trigger an ad about televisions, and if that is clicked, the website content should also be related to televisions. If the content is not related to the keyword or ad, the campaign would not be successful. So for example, if you're trying to advertise on a competitor's brand, for example, so say you're Persil trying to sell washing powder, but you're advertising on the keyword Ariel, what'll happen is people click on Ariel, they're expected to be taken to a site selling Ariel, but they'll only be offered Persil, so they'll be unlikely to purchase. So returning to my example campaign, in this campaign there are two ad groups, one called radio and one called televisions. If we click on the radio ad group, we can see that all the keywords in this ad group are related to radios. So the advert will be triggered by a keyword like radio or radio set, and then they will be shown an ad. And if we look at the ads, then they have radio in the title and they've got radio in the content of the ad. So, and then if the landing page itself is also about radios, it'll be demonstrating relevancy throughout the entire chain. They type in radio, they see an ad about radios, they click on it and they're taken to a web page about radios. It's all relevant to what they're looking for. If, for example, they were taken to a page which was about televisions, then it wouldn't be what they're searching for and it would be unlikely to be successful. So here are some best practices when creating your campaigns. Firstly, plan your structure. Think about your campaign structure before starting. Retrospectively reorganizing your account may negatively affect how your ads will perform, as your historical performance data will be lost. So for example, you should think about how you're doing your ads. Should you arrange them by themes? So you could, for example, do them around product type, or you could do them around categories, but you need to think about this beforehand. What are the best way of organizing your keywords? Because if you change that in future, any changes you make will affect your account performance. Create separate campaigns when you need different set of campaign settings. So for example, budget or location targeting. So if you want to use one set of ads to target London and another set of ads to target Manchester, then you need two different campaigns for that because the location's done at the campaign level. Also, budget is set at the campaign level, though you can combine budget across multiple campaigns. For each ad group, choose a narrow theme for your keywords and create ad groups around that one theme. It's best to include your keywords in your headlines. Ads that include the search terms are more likely to seem relevant and therefore get more clicks. Finally, create multiple ads. To hone your message, create at least 3 ads in each ad group and select Optimize Ad Rotation. Google will then alternate between the ads, allowing you to see which ads perform best.